Do you want to boost business this year? With local search engine optimization, SEO, you can reach customers online and then attract them to your business. Foot traffic to your store and sales will increase, improving your ROI. Keep watching. Local SEO. Local SEO, search engine optimization for small businesses, helps you appear in front of local consumers. You can use a combination of local SEO strategies to increase your organic ranking for a mix of keywords, display relevant business information on your Google My Business listing, appear on the 3-pack map. Consumers can click on your Google My Business listing for your phone number or directions to your store. They can also read reviews from your previous customers. Here are a few ways that developing a small business SEO strategy can set you up for long-term success. Awareness and recognition. Consumers won't trust your business if they've never heard of it before. As you improve your local SEO ranking, you'll appear in front of more customers. Each time they see your brand, they'll become more aware of your business. Repeat exposure can help you generate brand awareness and recognition. In time, consumers will remember your brand the next time they need your product or service. They could go straight to your website instead of exploring your competitors. Reach locals. Remember, consumers are already looking for local businesses. With an SEO strategy, you can make sure you appear in front of those customers. When they need your product or service, they'll immediately find your brand. Consumers can then use your Google My Business listing to contact you with ease. They can find your hours, directions, or phone number straight from Google. Then they can contact you to learn more about your product or service. As they continue learning about your business, they might decide to visit you in person. Remember, over 70% of customers who complete a local search visit a nearby store. As consumers visit your business, you can turn those visitors into paying customers. Once they reach your store, you can boost business and your ROI. Considerable credibility. Consumers are more likely to trust companies that appear on the first page of a Google search. Using small business SEO strategies can boost your ranking. You'll appear before competitors, making you look like the more credible business. Consumers want to choose businesses that are helpful and informative. You can create informative blog posts to show customers your expertise and experience. They'll realize they can trust you to find a solution to their problems. As you boost your credibility, you can build brand trust as well. In time, brand trust can become brand loyalty. You can retain more customers, improving your ROI. Boost website traffic. As you appear for more searches, you'll attract more people to your website. As you gain more site traffic, your ranking will improve. Then you'll reach even more customers. You can use local SEO strategies to ensure you appear for a mix of different searches. Improve your ROI. SEO is a cost-effective marketing strategy. You won't have to waste valuable time and money with outbound strategies like cold calling. Instead, you can create SEO-optimized blog posts, boost your ranking, and generate more sales. As your ranking improves, you'll generate more business, improving your ROI. Don't let your ranking drop. Instead, use local SEO strategies to boost your business. In time, your company could appear in the 3-pack, helping you reach more customers. As your ranking improves, you can boost your business and ROI. Eager to get started? We're here to help. Contact our team today to discuss your SEO strategy. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.